why your brain sabotages change, and how to rewire it instantly. That moment you try to change and your own brain pulls the emergency brake, it's not laziness. It's not you failing. It's a 50,000-year-old survival system sabotaging you. And today, you hack it in 60 seconds. Got it? Good. Now recall the exact moment you gave up. That crushing why bother feeling points to temple. That's your amygdala, your brain's alarm system, screaming unknown equals death. It doesn't care about your six-pack goals. It thinks change will kill you. Your prefrontal cortex? That's your wise planner. Let's get healthy. Learn Spanish. But your amygdala? It's a paranoid guard dog. When you try something new, bam, it floods you with cortisol and dread. It hijacks your smart brain. That's sabotage. Why? Just do it fails. Willpower fights the amygdala and loses 90% of the time. Why? Because willpower runs on your prefrontal cortex, the part your amygdala shuts down. Forcing change feels like the instant rewire, the 5-second reboot. Step 1. The second you feel sabotage, procrastination, dread, excuses, physically raise your hand like a stop sign. This interrupts the amygdala hijack. Step 2. Take one huge audible inhale and whisper reboot on the exhale. Step 3. Immediately do one tiny action toward your goal. Open the workout app. Write one sentence. Walk for 60 seconds. Why it works. 1. The hand gesture disrupts the panic loop. 2. The breath lowers cortisol by 23%, NIH study. 3. The whisper activates your prefrontal cortex. For the micro-action proves to your amygdala. See? Not dead. Real proof, social proof, plus emotion. Sarah used this to finally run daily. Mike wrote 10 pages of his novel. Why? You're not fighting your biology anymore. You're rebooting it. Every reboot weakens the sabotage pathway and builds a new I can change circuit. Your turn. The next time your brain screams, stop. Reboot it. Smash that like button if your amygdala's been holding you hostage. Subscribe. We're hacking 5 more brain bugs next week. Comment. Reboot below and tell me what you'll change first.